everyone, I'm Yuni Sulistiani Saleha from CNN News, bringing you the latest news for today. The flooding caused by days of heavy rain has blocked roads and forced business in the capital to close. Areas including the central business district were inundated and traffic was gridlocked as residents struggled to move around the city. Some 20,000 people have abandoned their homes as officials warn that the rain could worsen in the next few days. The governor of Jakarta has declared a state of emergency. He also said he was committed to making a breakthrough in effort to tackle off flooding. Social media pictures showed people wading through almost neck-high water in some parts of the city, while in others the waters were up to meters deep. Jakarta resident Bambang urged the government to do more stop floods in the future. The dams are no longer sufficient to hold the water, he said. Yayat Supriyatna, an urban planning expert, told the CNN that Jakarta's drainage system is still the same as it was in the Dutch colonial era and should be rebuilt. The floods are caused by the failure to manage and sustain the river's water reservoirs. I suggest the governor dredge the rivers because the deeper the better will function. The Jakarta Post said two of the people killed in the capital were children aged 13 and 2. State funds available to help those affected by flooding following the declaration of the state emergency, which will remain in effect until 27 January. That's all the news for today. Check it out and CNN News for the latest update. Thanks for watching and have a great day.